I'm Zara. I'm an apprentice technician here at AMRC Cymru. I did mechanical engineering, my level 2, on my first year of my apprenticeship, and now I'm currently doing my level 3 in advanced manufacturing. When I started here at the AMRC though, I had a triple distinction in art and design, which is obviously very different from what I'm doing here. Since being at the AMRC, I've gained a lot of qualifications while I'm here and a lot of training, all the things that I need to start my job after my apprenticeship. My dad was a big inspiration for me there. He worked as an engineer his whole life and always taught me things. I always understood the importance of knowing how to do something or fixing something yourself and understanding how actual mechanisms work so that you're able to understand even the risks and stuff of it as well. I was actually on my gap year. That's when COVID hit. The job that I left and I was going back to after my travels, they had shut down because of COVID. I went looking for work elsewhere and ended up working in the building, but on the other side. And I just kind of had a conversation with someone one day and mentioned that I had been to art college. It's just as if fate aligned up really, because they said, oh, we're looking for an artist to have some local art in the building, something linked to Wales. I did this big painting of one of the places in Snowdonia. They now have it on the wall. They kind of recognised my work ethic and my interest. It all kind of worked out in the end and here I am. There's no set thing that I would be doing because every day is definitely different. There's lots of different projects going on all the time. One thing that I designed, it was similar to someone else's, so we kind of joined it together and made it the best kind of version of it. And that got used on the design to a company, so I'm quite proud of that because they could be using it right now. It's definitely very important to be able to thrive in a team, because whatever you're working on, there is always lots of different aspects to it, so you need to have that good communication. Everyone is really patient and I'm really grateful to be given that patience and time with being dyslexic and have Erlings. And with this being so new to me as well, so I'm really grateful. I now realise you can take lots of different paths and lots of different approaches on what job you're going to do, go forward and kind of chase your dreams, and to just put an application in somewhere. That's the first step of many. So AI is able to create new flavours by analysing chemical compounds of various ingredients. AI has paired mushrooms and strawberries together, okay, and chocolate and blue cheese. I love a chilli. It reminds me of when I was living at home with my mum and dad, and my dad would always make it really, really spicy.